Jammal here. Today is August 18, 2026. A Ṣajẹ drum beat for you guys. Common in Yoruba talking drum pattern. This one it goes like this. So it goes like Ewurẹ jẹ'ni fẹ'ni. Àgùntàn jẹ'ni fẹ'ni. Àparò tó dúró sórí ebè. Kó dúró tìfura. Ewurẹ, goat. Jẹ'ni fẹ'ni. Goat will eat your food that you're feeding it, the livestock food that you're giving your livestock. You're a benefactor. And he's not thinking how he's going to repay you. Yes. Ewurẹ jẹ'ni fẹ'ni. Thinking is one way street. Àgùntàn jẹ'ni fẹ'ni. Àgùntàn. Sheep. Female of a ram. She too will eat your food. You feed her food. Your livestock feed her food. Thinking is a one-way street. Àparò tó dúró sórí ebè. Àparò, partridge, that is landed on the farm roll where they plant. They've tilted the land, and now you have a higher mound all the way downlined. And the bird, àparò, partridge, that landed on top of that will be taller than the rest of the similar birds. Well, if it does, you need to be careful and be cautious of his environment, because the one that is standing out taller is now vulnerable for being picked off by the hunters, whoever is going to shoot at them. So, Ewurẹ jẹ'ni fẹ'ni. Without being careful, the Ewurẹ, goat, just eat recklessly. Àgùntàn jẹ'ni fẹ'ni. Àparò tó dúró sórí ebè. Kó dúró tìfura. It should be all eyes and conscious of its surrounding, that bird. So it sounds like this. we go to the one that is more humidified. Get this comment. Stay blessed.